Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English conversation using word. Turn around. Hey, did you see that guy?
No, let me turn around and check.
Can you turn around and grab my bag?
Sure, here it is.
Wait, turn around. You dropped something.
Oh, thanks for noticing.
Why did you turn around so quickly?
I thought I heard someone call my name.
Could you turn around for a second?
Why? What's behind me?
I think I forgot something in the car.
Want me to turn around and check?
Don't turn around too fast, you'll hurt your neck.
I'm fine, just curious.
Did you see the sunset?
No, let me turn around.
Can you turn around and look at this?
What is it?
Turn around, there's a cute dog behind you.
Oh, it's adorable.
Why didn't you turn around when I called?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Turn around, you're walking the wrong way.
Oh, thanks for letting me know.
Wait, turn around. That's the wrong direction.
Oh, I always get lost here.
You should turn around and see this view.
Wow, it's amazing.
Don't forget to turn around when you hear your name.
Of course, I will.
Can you turn around and see if we left the lights on?
Sure, they're off.
Hey, turn around, I have something to show you.
What is it?
If you turn around, you'll see the restaurant.
Oh, I missed it.
Turn around, there's a rainbow.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Why don't you turn around and check the sign?
Oh, it says exit.
Don't just stand there, turn around and help me.
Okay, what do you need?
Turn around, you're walking into traffic.
Oops, that was close.
Can you turn around and pick up that paper?
Got it.
Did you turn around to see who was calling?
Yes, it was Lisa.
I'll turn around and go back to the store.
Good idea, you forgot the milk.
Turn around, there's a squirrel on the fence.
Oh, it's so cute.
Did you turn around to see the fireworks?
Yes, they're amazing.
Turn around, there's a better view from here.
You're right, it's stunning.
I heard a noise, let me turn around and check.
Be careful.
Can you turn around and pass me that book?
Here you go.
Turn around, the waiter is coming.
Great, I'm starving.
Why did you turn around just now?
I thought I saw something.
If you turn around, you'll see the bus coming.
Oh, let's hurry.
Turn around, there's a shortcut through the park.
That's perfect.
Turn around and see who's calling you.
Oh, it's my mom.
Can you turn around and hold the door?
Sure, I've got it.
Did you turn around when you heard the noise?
Yes, but I didn't see anything.
Turn around, there's a bench to sit on.
Great, I'm tired.
Turn around, you're walking past the cafe.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Can you turn around and hand me the remote?
Here you go.
Why don't you turn around and ask for directions?
Good idea, let me try.
Turn around, the view is better on this side.
Wow, you're right.
Don't forget to turn around and double check the lock.
I'll do that now.
If you turn around, you'll see the exit sign.
Oh, I see it now.
Turn around and grab the backpack for me.
Sure, here it is.
Why don't you turn around and enjoy the scenery?
It's beautiful.
Turn around, there's a bird flying close to us.
Wow, it's so colorful.
Did you turn around when they called your name?
Yes, but I couldn't see them.
Turn around and face the camera.
Okay, ready for the picture.
Let's turn around and walk back.
Sure, it's getting late.
Turn around, you're walking away from the group.
Oops, my bad.
Can you turn around and see if it's raining?
No, it's clear.
Turn around, there's a cat on the wall.
Oh, it's adorable.
Did you turn around to wave goodbye?
Yes, I always do.
Turn around, we missed the right turn.
Oh, let's go back.
Can you turn around and check the time?
It's almost noon.
Turn around, the waiter is bringing our food.
Finally, I'm starving.
Why don't you turn around and take a photo?
Great idea, this spot is perfect.
Turn around, there's a deer in the field.
Wow, it's so peaceful.
Did you turn around when they whispered?
Yes, but I couldn't hear them clearly.
Can you turn around and grab the umbrella?
Sure, here it is.
Turn around, there's a butterfly on your shoulder.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Let's turn around and head back home.
Good idea, it's getting late.
Turn around, you left your phone on the table.
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
Did you turn around when they waved at you?
Yes, it was my friend.
Turn around, there's a squirrel chasing a bird.
That's so funny.
Can you turn around and see if the door is closed?
Yes, it's locked.
Why don't you turn around and see if we missed the sign?
Oh, we did.
Turn around, there's a beautiful flower behind you.
It's lovely, thanks for showing me.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.